What's up, internet? It's Andrew Delcazada, and in today's video I'm going to teach how to make any microphone that you have heard. Because earlier today I had two microphones, and even though they're both really good quality, I couldn't hear in both of them. So if you have a microphone in which you can't hear, I'm going to teach you guys how to fix that. So you're going to go to Start. I have Windows 7, by the way. You're going to press Sound, let it load. Then you're going to go to Recording. You're going to go to Properties. You're going to go Levels. You can turn microphone all the way, microphone boost all the way, and then you're going to go to Realtek Audio Manager. You're going to go Sound Manager. You're going to go Microphone. You're take out noise suppression. Whatever you do in this screen, it will also happen in the other screen. Alright, internet, alright, YouTube. That's how to make any microphone that you have. That will make it so all microphones you have and headsets and microphones that use headsets can be heard. And because I think when you first get any headset with the microphone, you can't hear them anyways. And yeah, alright, internet, have a good day. Goodbye.